you don't need to see Boggoracles, but okay. Oh dear. All right, let's do it. There might be a cat in it. Let's see what it says. I know it's ridiculous. Yeah, there it is. He's being patted. Oh. Zipf's law, yes. So, and then the cat. In the background is an ice cream maker, which is actually, it's Vice Cream, which is this terrible thing that I make, which is water, maple syrup, and cashews. That's it. And some maple, and some vanilla. And that makes a really good, yeah. It depends if you're a bad person like me or not. But if you have a dairy issue, or you're crazy, then you should eat that. It's really good. So it's fantastic. Yeah, one and a half cups of cashews, 1.5 cups of water, 1 cup of maple syrup. That's it.